Hello children, welcome to your YouTube channel Kids Education. Today I am going to teach you about plumber. So please like, share and subscribe your channel children. Let's begin with the plumber fixes taps and pipes of our houses. Plumbers also repairs the leaky taps and pipes. From that we cannot waste our water. That's all for today children. Thank you.